Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to upgrade to WeTransfer Ultimate in 2026. If you need more storage, larger file transfers, advanced security, and premium features, upgrading to WeTransfer Ultimate is simple. Let's go through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and visit the WeTransfer website. Sign in to your existing account using your email address and password. Once you're logged in, click your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, select ***settings***, billing or *plans**, depending on the version of WeTransfer you're using. Here, you'll see the available subscription options. Compare the plans and locate the WeTransfer Ultimate ** plan. Click Upgrade ** or choose Plan under WeTransfer Ultimate. Review the features included, such as increased storage, larger transfer limits, password protection, custom branding, transfer expiration controls, and other premium tools. Next, enter or confirm your payment details. Depending on your location, you can pay using a credit card or another supported payment method. Before completing the purchase, carefully review the billing cycle, subscription price, and renewal information. Once everything looks correct, click *subscribe *, upgrade *, or confirm payment *. Wait a few moments while WeTransfer processes your payment. After the upgrade is successful, your account will automatically unlock the ultimate features, and you can start using them immediately.